Hi class, this is Jaya and I'm going to show you how you can record your audio and turn your Google Slides into a video for your fantasy fiction story. So I'm just using a random presentation. You have your own Google Slides that you created last week. And you had four options to choose from. You had the forest theme, you had this one, the peony theme, you had the simple computer background theme, and you had one more, which I can't remember. So you had four themes to choose from, and you hopefully you added some text, you added some pictures, and your presentation is ready. If it is not, go back to last week's post, add the text and the pictures, and get going. Now, if you were a child who wrote your story in your red notebook rather than type it, then you must have added some pictures, and that's okay. So now you're going to read your story as the video goes. So make sure you have got all your text on your Google slide presentation, or you keep the document open if you have not copy pasted all the text. And if you have written your story, make sure you have your red notebook next to you so you can read from it as you go. All right. Now, the first step was to add the Chrome extension for Screencastify, which looks like this. And the link is on Google Classroom. So if you click on the link, it takes you to the Chrome Web Store. For me, it's already there. So it says remove from Chrome, but for you, it will say add to Chrome. And you'll click that. For some of you, you might need to restart your computer, your laptop, to see the extension. And once you do it, it should be visible over here. Now, I've got lots of extensions, so mine is on a list. It's a little bit down here. Okay, so you find it and you click on it, and it will, for you, it will show you the option to record. Okay, now I might have some screenshots for you because you cannot see what it will show you when you have not started recording yet. For me, my recording is already going on, so I cannot show you what it will look like before you start recording. So let's say that you click on the presentation, you're on your Google Slides, you click here, you go to Screencastify, it will give you the option of starting to record, and you will record, you will start recording, it will go 1, 2, 3, and then this thing will come down here. You will have this toolbox on the left, the pen eraser. We're not going to use all this. We're going to keep it simple. So what you're going to do is you're going to start talking. Once it goes 1, 2, 3, you immediately hit print, and then you start talking about your story, and you say, my fantasy fiction story title is, or my fantasy story is called, and you will say the name of your story. And then you will click on an arrow to move to the next slide of your presentation. And that slide will have a picture and some text. And you will read the text. You will start to read your story. And the reader will see the picture, and then they will hear you talking. When you are done, you will click on stop sharing here, and then another screen will pop up. Okay. And I will leave some screenshots for you to see what that looks like. Okay. And what you will do after that.